Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make the best purchasing decisions, one hilarious comparison at a time. Today, we're diving into the world of mini drones. On the left, we have the Holy Stone Mini Drone, aka the Fun Flyer. And on the right, the DJI Mini 2 SE, or as I like to call it, the Pro Pilot. Buckle up, because this is going to be a wild ride. Let's kick things off with the most important factor for many of us: price. The Fun Flyer comes in at a wallet-friendly $36. That's right, folks, you can get airborne for less than the cost of a romantic dinner for one. Meanwhile, the Pro Pilot is a bit more, shall we say, high maintenance at a whopping $279. For that price, it better come with a personal butler to fetch it out of trees. Now, let's talk about fun features. The Fun Flyer lives up to its name with toss to launch, circle fly, 3D flips, and auto rotation. It's like the drone version of a circus act. Your kids will be entertained for hours, or until the batteries run out. On the other hand, the Pro Pilot has some advanced features that make it stand out, including a 10 kilometers max transmission range and 38 kilometers per hour wind resistance. Reviewers love the Pro Pilot's sophisticated features, calling it the James Bond of drones. Battery life. The Fun Flyer comes with 3 batteries, giving you a total flight time of up to 21 minutes. Enough time to impress your friends, annoy your neighbors, and maybe even scare the dog. On the other hand, the Pro Pilot offers a whopping 31 minutes per battery. And if you get the combo, that's up to 93 minutes. Reviewers are particularly impressed with the Pro Pilot's long-lasting battery life, noting that it's perfect for extended adventures. Next up, portability. Both drones are lightweight and easy to carry, but the Pro Pilot takes the cake here. Weighing in at less than 249 grams, it's practically featherweight. No FAA registration needed, which means less paperwork and more playtime. The Fun Flyer is also portable, but let's be honest, it's like comparing a paperclip to a feather. Reviewers appreciate the Pro Pilot's lightweight design, making it ideal for travel. Now, for all you newbies out there, which one is easier to fly? The Fun Flyer has altitude hold and headless mode, making it a breeze for kids and beginners. Reviewers find it to be super fun and easy to use, especially for indoor entertainment. The Pro Pilot, though, has advanced features like return to home and simplified operations, making it beginner-friendly but with a touch of sophistication. Think of it as the difference between riding a bike with training wheels and driving a Tesla on autopilot. Speaking of sophistication, the Pro Pilot boasts a 10 kilometers max transmission range and 38 kilometers per hour wind resistance. It's like the James Bond of drones. Reviewers are impressed with its build quality and performance, especially in windy conditions. Meanwhile, the Fun Flyer, well, it's more like James Bond Jr. Fun, but not quite ready to save the world. Reviewers find it to be a great, budget-friendly option with basic controls. Overall, reviewers find the Holy Stone Mini Drone to be a fun, affordable, and easy-to-use option, especially for beginners and indoor entertainment. It's praised for its maneuverability and durability, though it has some minor issues like hair getting stuck in the motors. On the other hand, the DJI Mini 2 SE is lauded for its advanced features, long battery life, and impressive build quality. It's seen as a great option for both beginners and experienced users looking for a high-quality drone. So there you have it, folks. If you're looking for a budget-friendly, fun-filled drone for the kids, the Holy Stone Mini Drone is your go-to. But if you're ready to splurge and want a drone that's practically a flying superhero, the DJI Mini 2 SE is your best bet. Which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another epic comparison. Until next time, keep flying high and buying smart. Product links are in the description.